Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sri Suryanti and my student ID 2241110. On this occasion, I will be explaining a topic related to corporate governance, which encompasses the principles of good corporate governance that are crucial for maintaining the sustainability, transparency, and accountability of the company. To this material, I hope to provide a clear understanding of the importance of implementing corporate governance in the business world, as well as how its application can support the development and success of a company. The role of corporate governance is crucial in maintaining a balance of interest among various stakeholders involved in a company. These stakeholders include shareholder, management, consumers, supplier, financial institution, the government, and the wider community. Corporate governance serves as a system of management and oversight that ensures the company is run fairly, transparently, and responsibly towards all stakeholders. With good governance, companies can enhance their performance, reputation, and competitiveness in a sustainable manner. In a broader context, corporate governance lies the foundation for internally sound companies that also contribute positively to society. Therefore, it is important for students to understand the strategic role of corporate governance, not only in managing business but also in supporting a fair and efficient economic system. This material is designed to introduce students to the significance of corporate governance across their key area or of life, namely the states. The business sector and society all of which are interconnected in realizing effective and ethical governance. Next, the basic principles of good corporate governance are essential in fostering an efficient, transparent market that complies with applicable laws and regulations. Good corporate governance aims to ensure that companies are managed fairly, responsibly, and in accordance with sound ethical standard. By applying these principles, business can avoid harmful practices and establish system of management that is accountable and trustworthy in the eyes of the public. The successful implementation of good corporate governance relies heavily on the synergy of their main pillars, the state, the business sector, and society. The state plays the role of regulator and law enforcer. The business sector implements good corporate governance principles in the operation, and society acts as both a watchdog and beneficiary of ethical business practices. There, components must actively collaborate to establish a governance system that is professional and full of integrity. Ultimately, good corporate governance serves as a foundation for building investor trust and driving long-term sustainable economic growth. Next, the role of the state in corporate governance. The state holds a significant responsibility in ensuring the implementation of good corporate governance. It is tasked with creating regulation and legal system that support a healthy business climate. This includes drafting business-friendly legislation that still upholds public interest, enforcing the law consistently, and preventing corrupt practices such as corruption and nepotism. The state must also ensure effective coordination among institutions, legal protection for with labor laws, and establish regulation that promote transparency and accountability. In certain cases, the state might also take as a stakeholder in companies, and in doing so, it is exercises its rights and responsibilities fairly, just as any other stakeholder would. Next, can Next, key guidelines. For the implementation of the state's rule. To ensure the effective implementation of corporate governance, the state must apply several fundamental guidelines. These include formulating legal regulation that align with the evolving needs of the business world and involving both business and the public responsibly in the regulatory process. The state must also build a clear political system with high integrity and enforce the law that protect whistleblowers who report misconduct within companies. Strict oversight and control of management practices are essential to uphold accountability and prevent abuse. In addition, the state should continuously enhance the quality of corporate management structure and overseeing in accordance with good corporate governance principles, and active ombudsman function must be maintained to receive and follow up on report of irregularities. The government should also encourage open communication between society, regulator, and the business sector to ensure public concurrence and objections are heard. Ultimately, the state plays a vital role in fostering legal awareness among both the general public and business actors. There be supporting a culture of compliance and ethical conduct. The role of business in corporate governance. The business world plays a crucial role in implementing the principle of good corporate governance, which includes transparency, accountability, and compliance with laws. By applying good corporate governance, companies build public trust, enhance their reputation, and increases their value in the eyes of investors. Additionally, businesses are expected to foster a professional and responsible work culture with strong internal control system and effective reporting mechanisms. The implement of the board of communicationer and shareholder in oversight is also vital to maintaining accountability. The implementation of good corporate governance supports sustainable and equitable economic development. Moreover, business must also ensure that ethical business practices are constantly applied, balancing profit generation with social and environmental responsibilities. A commitment to ethical conduct not only helps prevent legal and financial risk but also promotes long-term success. Companies that embrace good corporate governance principles can create a positive impact on society while achieving growth and competitive advantage in the market. As corporate governance practices evolve, business must adapt to new challenges and continue to improve their governance structures, ensuring alignment with global standards and stakeholder expectations. Okay, that concludes the material I can share today. I hope the information I have provided can offer valuable insight and understanding for all of us. My work has been presented contribute positively to the development of knowledge and its application in both academic and professional fields. Thank you for your attention and the opportunity given.